Poise is a choice. There's a fine line in appearing poised and appearing suplada. You don't have to change because you can still be yourself and be poised at the same time. Hi, my name is Abbygale and welcome to It's a Beautiful Day. If you have not yet subscribed, the subscribe button, please do that now. And then hit the notification bell as well so we get to inform you whenever we get new videos. And then if you have questions, suggestions, or comments, please write them in the comment section below. Okay? Now, today we're going to talk about something that is very, very close to my heart. What is poise? You know, ang daming nagsasabi, parang ano nga ba yon, di ba? So, what is it? Akala ng iba kailangan gifted ka para maging poise. But let me tell you, poise is all about being conscious on how we move, being conscious on how we carry ourselves. Let me read you a favorite definition of what poise is all about. Poise is defined to be a balanced, confident, and refined way of carrying oneself, a graceful way of standing, moving, or performing an action. With that definition, feeling ko, nakuha niya talaga yung ibig sabihin ng poise. Simple lang yan. All we have to do is to realize that poise is the very word that will separate the men from the boys. It's the very word that will separate the girls from the ladies. Now, once upon a time, we were all boys and girls. Lahat tayo makukulit, magugulo, malilikot. Those were the times when we were called boys and girls. But as we become more professional, as we become more wiser, then we become ladies and gentlemen. And the difference is poise. Because once we become ladies and gentlemen, mas umaayos na yung galaw, mas nagiging pino. Pero minsan, yung iba, nakakalimutan pa din. So, I have a few tips on how to do that. Okay, tinan natin. Number 1 tip. It goes back to perfecting our posture. Because kahit na, ang daming tao, pero pag may nakita kang nakaayos yung posture, pero mo yung poise niya, agad na yun di ba? Be conscious on how you hold your body, improve your posture with extra help from a posture corrector. So, if you have a posture corrector, minsan nagbabandular ako. A bandular is parang tinataling ganon, tapos it pushes your shoulders back. Para lang, lalo-lalo na sa computer, okay? Pag nagko-computer ka, nasa Zoom meeting ka for a long time, ang tendency is to bumabagsak yung katawan. So, see to it na posture talaga. Tapos, there's a very good way wherein we measure the neck and the shoulders like that. So, even when sitting down, we can measure that. Pero maintain your proper posture. So that's the best tip. Number 1 tip on how to look poised. Okay? Pero huwag naman yung matitigas ka ganyan, naninigas ka na ganyan. You can still be relaxed, pero must pay attention on one's posture. It's also good for breathing. It's also good for para mas magtumunog yung para mas maging maganda yung tunog mo. So it's also very beneficial. Okay? Number 2. Ito ang hirap gawin, pero requirement don't rush, but hasten up. No slamming of doors or nor eating too fast or talking too fast because that is rushing. You may hasten things up, bilisan, okay lang, pero hindi mo mamadaliin, okay? So, may control ka pa din. Tapos parang, let's say an action. So, a pen. So, this is a simple action. So, if I'm gonna pick this pen up from my palm, okay, I can do it like this. Nakuha ko, but that is basically rushing it, okay? So, I can do it with poise. Look at the difference. If I get it like this, nakuha mo pa rin yung action, pero mas may poise. I like doing this particular example sa mga klasiko when I would walk, without poise. That's still called walking. But if you walk and can carry yourself better with poise, umiiba talaga. So, pareho lang yung action, pero nagkakaroon ng control, okay? Number 3, smile a lot and laugh softly. So smile a lot, that's fine. When you smile, kasi when we talk, as we smile, we sound more pleasant, as we all know. And then when you don't talk, you maintain a pleasant face. That's very important, okay? Pero laugh softly. Boisterous laughter puts a dent on our elegance. Yung mga sobrang tawa. It even attracts negative attention as well. So, ingat na lang doon. So, smile a lot, but laugh softly. Okay? Number 3, avoid filler words. it really makes you sound unsure, and at the same time, it makes people think that you are not prepared. So yun mga it's a very common mistake, but if you are not fully prepared, mas maigi nang mag-over-prepared. Ibig sabihin nun, mas okay na magkulang yung oras mo because you want to say so much things rather than parang inaaksaya mo yung oras na, kasi, ayun. So, medyo nakakawala pala ng poise, nakakabawas ng malaking poise if you are using these filler words. Number 4 na ako. Avoid inappropriate comments. If you have nothing good to say, zip it. Okay? Totoo. Kung manlalait ka rin lang, mambabash ka rin lang, wag na lang, sarilinin mo na lang, or kwento mo na lang sa best friend mo siguro, but you are not supposed to express that in public. Okay? So, if you have nothing good to say, don't talk na lang, okay? So, nakakabawas din ng elegance ang babaeng hindi maganda ang lumalabas sa bibig. So, let's not do that. And number 5, the last one, is all about being gentle. So, be kind to everyone, respect everyone, and everything. So, it doesn't matter if it is not stepping on the grass. You have to do that. You have to be gentle with the grass. If it's all about, treating the food servers with respect, you have to do that. The thing is, we have to be gentle with everyone and everything around us. So, pagka ito yung nasa isip mo, lahat na lang ng gagawin mo, mas merong gentle movements, okay? So, akala kasi ng iba, kailangan ipanganak ka ng may poise. That is not true because wala pa akong nakitang sanggol na nung pinanganak, nakaganyan, walang ganon. Lahat ng bata nung pinanganak, sinisigaw, nangungulit. Lahat tayo, once upon a time, we were called boys and girls. Lahat malilikot, lahat magugulo, lahat makukulit. Pero as we become better, as we become more professional, we are now labeled as ladies and gentlemen. So I just hope and pray that these tips, okay, reviewin natin. Perfect posture, don't rush but hasten up, smile a lot, pero laugh softly, avoid filler words, and avoid inappropriate comments. And number 6 pala, be gentle. Okay? Nasabi ko ba lahat? I think so. So, itong 6 na to, I just hope and pray that, hindi man lahat ma-apply, pero be mindful of these tips, or should I say, reminders. Okay? So, if you want to have poise, it can be achieved. Hindi kailangan ipinanganak ka ng ganon, pero pwede tayong may gawin. Alright? So, this is Abbygale Arenas saying once again, it's a beautiful day. And if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and comment suggestions and questions on the comment section. Alright? So, see you! Bye!